welcome back just to my channel. I am here with something new, something different, something that I touched on my lives, but I am officially starting. So get into the nails real quick in case y'all haven't seen my nails yet. Real honeycomb, real beehive activity. But yes, so I am now officially joined to a gym. No, I don't have a physical trainer. Yes, I wish I had one, but who cares? I'm not going to Planet Fitness. I came here earlier before I went to work and signed up for their membership. So they close at 7 on Sunday, so it's like 4 o'clock, actually almost 5 o'clock. So I'm gonna do something light because I used to work out all the time in college, so I'm pretty sure like after today I'll be sore. So I don't want to go super hard on my first day because I don't want to burn myself out and then be discouraged to come back the next day. So I'm gonna do something very, very light today. They have 30-minute workout stations, so I'm gonna do that 30-minute workout station and then maybe like 30 minutes on the cardio, something so I can get my heart health back up. If you guys are on my live, I talked about some issues that I'm having with my heart. I'm not going into detail, but if you were on the live, you heard what's going on with me. And so I just want to, try to stay alive, like the song say. So here we go, you guys. I am here, and if you're interested, they do currently, this is not sponsored, they currently have a promotion. Well, it's gonna be different tomorrow starting on the 4th, but I signed up for $1 today, and my billing doesn't, like, they don't charge you until the 17th of every month. So I have like the black card where you get everything included, like all the good stuff. I didn't do the $10 a month because I want to be able to work out at any gym. Like if I'm way in like Georgia and want to stop by Planet Fitness, if I'm in Kansas and want to go to Planet Fitness, I can do that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me get my workout bag. I know y'all see that car seat. I ain't got no kids, but anyways, I had a key to my car and I never took the car seat out. But so I'm gonna go ahead and get in there, change and all that stuff. I don't know how much of day 1 I'm gonna vlog, but this might just be a vlog, so I can give y'all a vlog so y'all can kind of know that I'm gonna show y'all my body and everything, not butt, booty, naked or nothing, but I'm gonna show y'all my body so we can start a progress. So this is officially April 3rd, day 1 of me getting my heart health back together, so, and getting my waist back snatched, because you hoes be hating in the comments. So I see y'all in my next. This is where I will be doing my 30-minute workout. I don't know about them steroids. So this is what I'm looking like right now. This with my shorts pulled down. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up and put this on and get started. Where's number one? Oh, right here. Number one. He said it's gonna start at like 1 minute, so I can't wait. Look at this. Tripping. We are on the daily grind. Day number 3. My arm is so very, very sore. I might have to stop by here and give me a cute little wine for all my troubles. I don't know yet, but consistency is key. 30 pounds in 30 days. Let's go. Yeah, I am driving home from my workout. If you made it this far into the video, I feel like really, really good. I feel very like rejuvenated. I don't know if it's that hydro massage. Girl, like, if you never tried that machine, I'm so ready to take a nap. Like, that thing is so relaxing. Like, it just resets you. And like a lot of people I know, it's my first day like starting back working out and stuff like that. But I just want to say, for anybody who's gonna start working out, please remember to stretch before and do what we like people in the world call a cool off stretch. It don't have to be nothing intense or crazy, but once you're done working out and you're ready to end it for the night, just do a light little stretch like you guys see me do before I went in to get the massage. So just to set your body back, you know what I'm saying? And if there's any tight muscles from working out, you'll stretch those out before leaving. So it was day 1. I am actually about to stop by my mama's house. I bought her something to drink, a mocha latte from Wawa. So I told her I'll go ahead and bring it to her, and then when I get home, I'm gonna make some baked fish. So I'm gonna go back to baking food again, because for a long time I would only bake chicken, only bake fish, only bake pork chops, but I had got into doing fried foods and kind of got like carried away, and I stopped baking. So I'm gonna, tonight we're gonna bake some fish and make a cute little meal for tomorrow. And y'all will see me at the gym again tomorrow. And I'm telling myself this now. I don't care if you're tired. I don't care if you're hurting. You have to push through because you promised yourself and the doctor that you was gonna get your life together. You know what I'm saying? So I really want this journey to be something that I can vlog and put you guys a part of my progress, because when I was skinny, like super skinny, y'all would always be in my comments, how do you keep your stomach so flat? How do you keep your stomach so flat? Or baby girl, buckle up, put your seatbelt on, and let's watch how I keep my stomach so flat. Okay, I lost my flat stomach, but give me a month. Okay, I'm finna hit the gym. I'm gonna try to do 30 days straight. I know I'm gonna be out of town April 8th through the 10th, and it may be hard for me to do the gym for those days. If I so happen to not be able to hit the gym on those days, then I'll just extend this through another couple days in May. But I love you guys so much, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this little, you know what I'm saying, I don't know. I don't really know what to call this. Just a diary. A diary, basically. If you guys have any, I know also, look at me, I'm just trying to think of things while I'm also driving. I know my forum and some of my workouts, it's just, I just was going off of some workout routines that I remembered when I used to be in the gym in college, and some other things they have around Planet Fitness. So don't judge my forum and form, and don't judge just my workout routine, because it's only day one, so I have to develop my own workout routine that will suit my my expected goal. So basically that's just, I don't know, child, I just be talking. I love y'all so much, and I really hope y'all enjoyed it. And like I always say, make sure y'all join the gym. I don't always say that, but make sure if y'all want to do it, just do it. I just want my platform to be a platform for girls, women, and even men. If you want to do it, just do it. And I want to be able to show you guys that, gotta work hard, put your mind to it. Anything that you work for, you can do it. Like, don't keep saying you're gonna do, because I said for 2 months I was gonna join the gym. 2 months I was gonna join the gym, and it took me ending up in the hospital in order for me to be like, you know what, it's time to stop playing and actually join a gym for real. So you guys, wish me luck on my journey, and I will of course be back with some more vlogs for y'all on my journey. But until next time, Rose and Jems, peace. Gotta work.